good morning. I am at 6920 Ferrystone Pass today, so this listing is going to be put on the market this week. The staging was done and I am coming through today to take a look at it before the photographer comes. So you're going to be taking a first look at the same time that I'm going to be looking at the staging. So here we go. Checked out the first floor and I love how everything is really flowing well together. The space that we have here is very free space that can be converted into whatever the home buyer would like, and I love how it all flows together with the dining area and then the living area. Even though that this house has brown flooring, I like how it still feels very light and airy. So let's go ahead and go upstairs and check out the master bedroom. I'm excited to check that out. Alright guys, another property tour here that you've joined me on, 6920 Ferrystone Pass. Thank you for coming along on this walkthrough, and as always, if you are looking to buy, sell, or invest in the Austin or surrounding areas, I am your go-to realtor. And with that guys, I'm going to go ahead and leave you with a reminder to subscribe. That way every time a video comes up, you are notified. There will be one coming up here pretty soon. And with that, I will let you enjoy the rest of the day. This is Josie Arellano here in Austin, Texas. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.